Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to check the specification of your computer. So to do this operation on the icon, this PC from your computer, yes, show on the properties. If you don't have this icon in your computer, then look down in the description. I will take you the link that I'll show you how to enable this icon, okay? So after that, when you have it, click on properties and voila, you have all your device specification with the processor, RAM, and many more about your Windows, your manufacturer, and much more about your system. Yep. So that will be, you know how your processor is look like. And there is advanced system here. There is an option of the name of the work group. And that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.